Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to buy Robux on Roblox app. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Roblox app on your mobile device. The next is to click on the gear icon found at the top right corner. So right here, all you have to do is to select the particular package that you want to buy on Roblox app. So we have different package, you just have to select one you want to buy. So let me see, I select this one. The next thing you have to do is to add your payment method. 800 Roblox will cost me $9.9, which is equivalent to 18,000 naira. All I have to do here is to add my payment method. I just have to click on the continue option here, select the payment method of my choice and add my card details, then complete my transaction. So guys, that's it on how to buy Robux on Roblox app. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.